Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 15th, 2025, and we're diving into Citigroup's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Citigroup has had a significant year, and I'm excited to discuss their performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Citigroup reported a net revenue of $19.6 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024, marking a 12% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth was driven by strong performance across Citigroup's business segments, particularly in services, wealth, and U.S. personal banking. The company also benefited from a smaller impact from the currency devaluation in Argentina, which had previously been a headwind.
And how did this translate into profitability?
Citigroup's net income for the quarter was $2.9 billion, a significant turnaround from a net loss of $1.8 billion in the same period last year. This was primarily due to higher revenues, lower expenses, and a reduced cost of credit. The EPS of $1.34 also exceeded the analyst forecast of $1.25, which is a positive indicator of the company's financial health.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Citigroup has also made strides in operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their expense management and future outlook?
Absolutely. Citigroup's operating expenses decreased by 18% year over year to $13.2 billion, largely due to the absence of last year's FDIC special assessment and restructuring charges. The company has improved its efficiency ratio, which is a key metric for banks. Looking ahead, Citigroup aims for a return on tangible common equity, or ROTCE, of 10 to 11% by 2026, indicating a focus on sustainable profitability.
And what about their capital return strategy?
Citigroup returned nearly $7 billion to shareholders in 2024 and has announced a new $20 billion share repurchase program. This reflects confidence in their capital position and commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
Segment performance highlights. Let's delve into the performance of Citigroup's key segments. How did services, markets, banking, and wealth fare this quarter?
Services revenue increased by 15% to $5.2 billion, driven by Treasury and Trade Solutions and Securities Services. Markets revenue rose 36% to $4.6 billion, with strong growth in fixed income and equity markets. Banking revenue was up 27% to $1.2 billion, largely due to investment banking. Lastly, wealth revenue grew 20% to $2.0 billion, supported by higher investment fee revenues and deposit spreads.
It seems like a well-rounded performance across the board.
Indeed, Citigroup's diversified business model has allowed it to capitalize on various growth opportunities, contributing to its overall strong performance.
CEO commentary and strategic initiatives. Citigroup CEO Jane Fraser provided some insights into the company's strategic direction. What were the key points from her commentary?
Jane Fraser highlighted that 2024 was a pivotal year for Citigroup, with net income up nearly 40% to $12.7 billion. She emphasized the successful execution of their strategy, which included a significant reorganization to enhance efficiency and client service. Fraser also mentioned that while the 2026 ROTCE target is a waypoint, Citigroup aims to exceed this level and fully realize its potential for shareholders.
It sounds like Citigroup is positioning itself for long-term success.
Absolutely. The focus on strategic reorganization and client service is expected to drive sustainable growth and profitability in the coming years.
Key takeaways. In summary, Citigroup has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with significant improvements in revenue, profitability, and operational efficiency. The company's strategic initiatives and capital return plans position it well for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Citigroup's impressive results.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Citigroup's performance in the comments below. Until next time.